So today we are going to draw a nest. Nest for a bird's nest. Okay? And what's the first letter of a nest? Good. N for nest.
And it's for nest.
Yeah. Alright, so can we start now? Take your pen.
Black one.
Yeah, the black one.
Why am
So,
I using this one?
Let's draw egg. Let's draw an egg.
It's like the one we drawed already.
Yeah, we'll draw, but let's draw not big egg, small egg. See?
Let's do the like the egg
Yeah,
we
not
did.
too big. Not too big. Yeah, it's okay. That's nice. Draw one more. Draw another one again here.
Is it a lot of it?
Yeah, draw another one. And then draw another egg again here. Good. And another one here. Good.
Daddy
All right.
looks like a funny bugger.
That's awesome. Do you want another egg? All right.
Maybe 10 eggs.
No, not 10. Let's not make it too big. Let's do another one here, another egg here.
This is my egg.
Yeah, is that okay?
One more.
One more? Okay, let's put one more egg here.
This one, that one there.
Alright, so that's awesome. We have how many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 eggs. Wow, 6 eggs. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use our red
Yay! Welcome
to make
color.
red to make a round circle. What? Round
Wait,
circle
come back here. Oh,
around the
Daddy,
egg.
sorry if I'm hitting you.
It's okay.
It's just my pencil. It can't get out.
It's alright. Just go ahead. Make round circle around the egg. Don't touch the egg. Just round it. The nest is so big. Woo!
That is a big nest.
Alright, so what we're going to do next is let's make another one, but we'll have to make it kind of ruffle.
It's like the dog.
No, not dog. Make a ruffle around it. Ruffle. Don't make it too wide. Be careful, just round, make a circle. Keep going from here. Ruffle it around and come around.
Ruffle it.
And join here. Good. And then just make some line inside like this. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So next let's use another color to make a tree branch. Because next
Where do you have a tree? It's one down and
No, we're not going to draw the whole tree. Let's draw a branch of a tree like this. Let's draw a
oh, my face.
easy, sorry. Can you draw a branch of a tree here?
My face. It was too
Just do 2 lines going off like this. Okay, and then from this other side, draw 1 line off, another one like this. Okay, and then here, just make it thick. Draw another double line close to each other there, close to the other one. Good, and here to make it close to each other. Okay. Alright, just shade it. And shade this one as well. Awesome. That's awesome. Okay, can we also shade here? Color this. This is part of a tree, the branch of a tree.
Oh,
Yeah, just color all of them.
I'm already done.
Yeah, good. Alright. So, this is a nest. The nest is hanging on the tree. So, let's give some leaves Let's make some leaf on this branch.
Daddy, where Wait, don't draw yet. I'm not.
Okay,
I'm
this
not
is,
gonna-
what color is this?
Green.
Green color. Alright, so watch me. Just make something like a leaf like this.
Like this.
Yeah, and just give it small mark. Like a V.
Small.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's a biggie though.
So here
That's
also
a big
make
too.
another bigger leaf.
Whoa!
At the mouth.
I don't think I can do that.
Don't make it too big. Another one again. Yeah, good. That's awesome. Join it. Start from here and join to that. Yeah. You can start from here. Good. And then here also, let's make another leaf by the side of this other one. Good. And then we add some like a V.
Wait, good job.
Yeah, so if I'm saying good, yeah, so if I'm saying good, yeah, good job. And do it for the rest. Then let's also add another one here on this one. Another one here. And a second one here. Not a good, but a V like this.
Oh, I want to do more.
And this one upside
I
down.
want to do more leaves.
Yeah, it's okay. Do more leaves. Awesome. Wow, Summer's nest is looking very
Can I
beautiful.
draw one more?
You can do more. Do you have a space to do more? If you don't have a space, you leave
I
it.
do.
Okay, if you have a space, you can do more. Wow. Good.
That's
Awesome.
And that.
Okay, and what we're going to do now, let's color our eggs. Let's use, which one are we using? Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow, good.
Wait, I want pink.
Want a pink?
I want all of them to be
Yes,
different
Rabbit.
colors.
Yes, they're going to be different color. Which one are we starting first?
And pink.
Pink, good.
I'm
So,
coloring my
color one egg pink. Color one egg.
That's all.
Yes, so what we color the other one?
With this.
No?
Maybe orange.
Orange, let's use orange for one. Is that orange? Okay, orange.
Okay,
Orange.
that.
Which one are we using next?
And that.
Which color?
Kind of
Blue, light blue color.
light blue.
Okay. Wow, our egg is going to be colorful.
Yes.
Our eggs are going to be colorful.
And
Wow.
now
Which one
this
again?
red.
We use red. Okay. Which other color do we use? This one? Okay, good. This is it. So we're using blue.
What are you using this time?
Okay, let's color the deep blue.
That's all. That's what time we have one
Then?
more egg.
One more egg left.
Maybe this one.
What's that? That's purple?
Yeah, purple.
Awesome. So let's color the last egg
It got
purple.
on my clothes.
Sorry, got on your clothes.
It's just a little bit.
It's okay.
I'll just leave that.
Yeah. Wow, this is awesome. This is our nest of a bird. Wow, so what's the first letter of a nest?
Okay.
All right. Awesome, that's N. So I write my N. Wow, N is for nest. Summer, I think we forgot to do something. We forgot to color the inside here and also even the leaf. We can add some color inside it. Do you want us to color it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's color the inside here. Let's make it red.
This one is
Just
now
here alone. Just gently.
Papa, the eggs.
No, don't color the egg. Easy. Gently,
But we
gently.
have a telephone another one.
Yes, the eggs, we've colored it already. I mean, just color the spaces here, which is the nest. You're doing it. Are you done? You have a lot of white spaces there. It's okay. This is yellow to color the inside of this place, the space here. Get a yellow color.
Whoa. Again.
Let's go. Color the inside here.
The nest.
Yeah, inside of the nest. Yes, this is our leaf. Are you done? Let's draw a straight line on this leaf like this.
Wow, that's little.
Yeah.
I did not do mine yet.
Yes, just do a connecting line.
Next one.
And then on these places, we have the green. You use black here. Use black to make these lines on the leaf. Use the black to make it. Okay, are you done? Okay.
What I do?
Once you are done, then you can use the green again. Use the green again to just shade these white spaces. Let it all be. Yeah, let it all be green. Okay. And see, it's better now than when we left them without painting them. It's better now. Wow, so this is wonderful. Wow, so this is looking fine. Thank you so much. And bye.
Daddy, after day, don't forget to color more places.
Yeah, let's don't forget next time.